Welcome back to World of Wonder. Today, we're exploring the mysterious and ancient world of scorpions. Scorpions belong to a group of animals called arachnids, making them close relatives of spiders, mites, and ticks. Like their relatives, they have 8 legs and a body specially adapted for survival. More than 2,500 species of scorpions have been identified around the world, and they can be found on every continent except Antarctica. But what makes scorpions truly remarkable is their history. These fascinating creatures have existed for hundreds of millions of years. In fact, some of their ancient ancestors lived around 400 million years ago, long before dinosaurs appeared on Earth. Early scorpions were very different from the ones we see today. Scientists believe that some may have lived in or near water and possessed features similar to gills for breathing. So how have these ancient survivors adapted to life for so long? Let's take a closer look. Scorpions come in a wide range of sizes, from less than an inch long to around 9 inches in some species. Despite their differences, all scorpions share the same basic body design. Their bodies are divided into 2 main sections: the cephalothorax, which combines the head and thorax, and the abdomen. Extending from the abdomen is the scorpion's famous segmented tail. At the tip is a venom gland and a sharp stinger, which can be used for hunting or defense. But a scorpion's tail is only one of its many remarkable features. At the front of the body are a pair of strong pincers called pedipalps. These pincers help scorpions catch prey, defend themselves, and interact with their surroundings. Like all arachnids, scorpions have 8 walking legs, allowing them to move efficiently across a variety of surfaces. So how do scorpions navigate and hunt in complete darkness? Scorpions often hunt at night, so their senses are extremely important. Tiny sensory hairs called trichobothria help them detect even slight movements in the air. Special sensory organs on their legs can also pick up vibrations in the ground, helping them locate prey or avoid danger, even in complete darkness. But scorpions still have one more secret to reveal. One of the most fascinating features of scorpions is their ability to glow under ultraviolet, or UV, light. When exposed to UV light, their bodies shine with a pale green or blue glow. Because of scorpions' exoskeleton contains chemicals that fluoresce under ultraviolet light, which is why even fossils of some ancient scorpions can glow. Scientists are still investigating exactly why this happens, making it one of the many mysteries surrounding these ancient creatures. Beyond their unusual features, scorpions are masters of survival in a wide range of environments. When most people think of scorpions, they imagine hot deserts and dry landscapes. But scorpions are far more adaptable than many people realize. These ancient arachnids can be found in a wide range of habitats, including grasslands, savannas, forests, caves, and even mountainous regions. Some species have been discovered at surprisingly high elevations, surviving in environments that can be cold and challenging. Of course, survival also depends on knowing when and how to hunt. Scorpions are primarily nocturnal, meaning they are most active after sunset. Under the cover of darkness, they leave their shelters to search for food. Most scorpions prey on insects, spiders, and centipedes. Larger species may also hunt small lizards, snakes, and even tiny mammals. Despite being skilled predators, scorpions live a surprisingly energy-efficient lifestyle. Their slow metabolism allows them to survive for long periods with very little food. After a successful meal, some scorpions can go for months without feeding again. They can survive with very little water, obtaining much of the moisture they need from their prey. This remarkable ability helps them survive in harsh environments where food may not always be easy to find. Now, let's explore the fascinating world of scorpion venom and species diversity. One of the most well-known features of scorpions is their venom. Scorpions use venom both to capture prey and to defend themselves from potential threats. This venom is a complex mixture of chemicals, and each species produces its own unique combination. However, not all scorpions rely heavily on venom. Larger species often use their powerful pincers to overpower prey before resorting to a sting. While most scorpions are not considered dangerous to humans, a small number possess venom powerful enough to cause serious medical problems. These highly venomous species are mainly found in regions such as North Africa, the Middle East, South America, India, and Mexico. Remarkable species. The Indian red scorpion. Found primarily in India and neighboring regions, the Indian red scorpion is considered one of the most dangerous scorpions in the world due to its highly potent venom. The blue scorpion. Native to the Caribbean, particularly Cuba, this species is famous for its striking appearance and has attracted scientific interest for many years. The emperor scorpion. One of the largest scorpions on Earth, the emperor scorpion can reach around 20 centimeters, or nearly 8 inches, in length. Native to the rainforests of West Africa, it is known for its impressive size and powerful pincers. Despite its intimidating appearance, its venom is generally less dangerous than that of many smaller species. So, how does the next generation of scorpions begin? During the warmer months of the year, male scorpions set out in search of females, often following chemical signals left behind by a potential mate. Before mating, the pair performs an unusual courtship ritual that looks almost like a dance. Holding each other's pincers, they move back and forth across the ground in a carefully coordinated pattern. Unlike many other arthropods, they give birth to live young rather than laying eggs outside the body. After a long period of development inside their mother, the baby scorpions are born and immediately climb onto her back. There, they remain protected until their first molt, when they shed their outer covering and become more independent. If a young scorpion falls from its mother's back before this stage, its chances of survival can be greatly reduced. As they grow, young scorpions will molt several times before reaching their full adult size. Depending on the species, a scorpion may live anywhere from a few years to well over a decade, making it one of the longer-lived arachnids on Earth. For these ancient survivors, a strong start in life begins with a mother's care. After exploring their anatomy, behavior, and remarkable survival strategies, it's easy to see why scorpions have fascinated people for centuries. Scientists who study scorpions work in a specialized field known as scorpiology, and baby scorpions are often called scorplings. They are also known for their ability to survive harsh conditions, which has helped them endure for hundreds of millions of years. From ancient predators that once shared the earth with some of the earliest land animals to the resilient hunters we see today, scorpions are a remarkable example of nature's ability to adapt and survive. Thank you for joining us on World of Wonder. See you next time for another journey into the wonders of the natural world.
Thank you all for watching this here video.